when you play a simple rock groove, there's a certain kind of rigidity and authority that you put into it, even just playing this. Now, we talked about jazz having a legato feeling, but it's got to have the same commitment that this rock beat has. And one thing that's been helpful for me is to imagine the sound that I want before I get to the instrument. And so this swing pattern on the cymbal we can think of as D, D, do, D, D, do, D, D, do, D, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2. And so a good exercise would be if you're walking down the street, your feet are kind of in a tempo, and then sing D, D, do, D, D, do, D. Not dat, 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 or dat, dat, bat, bat, dat, 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 but B, D, do, D, D, do, D. And you can do this when you're walking, or I used to do it when in New York, sitting on the subway and tap my foot, and then imagine the sound that I wanted. So my foot is giving me the metronome and the consistency, and then thinking about B, D, do, D, D, do, D, D, do, ba, 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 bang, D, do, D, D, do, D, D, do, D, ba, ba, boom, bang. And just getting it inside your body and inside your ear is the first step to help you translate it and get it into your hand and on the instrument.